Hello, good day. My name is Prince Yemi Kasali. Today I'll be talking about Live Good membership payment. That is the auto ship, the $10 monthly auto ship that we are expected to pay every month. So I'll be talking about the advantage and also how to make the payment. Okay, I'm signing into my Live Good account right now. So let's log in. Number one, where do I see my membership? You come on the menu right here, and here is my membership. That means the date at which my next payment should be paid. Okay, this is my next. This is the page. It says congratulations on being a member of Live Good. You are on your monthly membership program. Your monthly uh, billing date is the 10th of each month. Okay, so that's it. So now to make payment for next month or to make payment, you have to make payment before or on the 10th of each month. Now, there is advantage for paying before, and there is also disadvantage of paying before. And also, there is what we call there is there is also an advantage for paying on that day, while there is also disadvantage for paying on that day. So let's talk about the advantage and disadvantage of paying before. When you pay ahead, it simply means that you'll be securing your payment ahead. That means you will not forget to make the payment and lose your slot on the matrix next month, which is more crucial. You shouldn't lose your matrix. Now, assuming you're to pay on the 15th and you pay on the 10th, the disadvantage is that the next payment will be on the 10th. That means 5 days are being cut off. So that is the advantage and disadvantage of paying ahead or on that day. So if you're paying, if you're, as in the advantage of paying ahead is for you not to forget and not to lose your slot. While the disadvantage is that the system will calculate your next payment to be the date you made last. For example, if you're to be on the 15th and you made your payment on the 10th, the next payment you would be on the 10th. So that's that. Then what else again? The other side of it is you paying on that day, the advantage and disadvantage of paying on that day. If you're paying on that day, it simply means that your next payment will be that same day. And if you don't pay on that day, or as in the disadvantages, if you forget, you lose your slot, and that is more tragedical. So that's that. What else again? How to make your payment? How to make your payment? There are two ways of making payment. Let's talk about the advantage of making payments monthly and making payments annually. To make payments annually, I think is the best. To make payments monthly, that means it's more comfortable. Like you're paying $13 every month, it's more comfortable and convenient. But the bitter truth is, one of these days, especially if you're waiting for spillovers, you might just look at it like, maybe I have not made anything from the business. So let me wait till another month. Then you will lose your slot, and that is going to be more tragic. But unfortunately, you might not know. You just like, thank God that I didn't pay. I couldn't have even earned anything all this way. I'm just wasting money. But when you pay annually, you've paid for a year, and there is no how within 1 year that you will not get your money back. And let's explain this. The way this works is simple. Assuming this is me and you're here, and we have people under you also. People keeps rolling in and in. You understand that it keeps rolling like that. So what happens is this: if you lose your payments, you didn't pay this month, this person paid will come here. So you'll be off that matrix. All these people, if all these people pay, follow this person up. And if by next month you now come, you'll be here under them. So that simply means you're losing the matrix every every time you do not make payment. And to be sincere, if you're waiting for spillovers, expect this to start paying you something reasonable 3 to 6 months. So your first 3 to 6 months might just be a kind of investment in order not to lose your stand. This is your stand in order not to lose your stand. So that is the reason why you need to just pay a one time ahead and let it be. So the only thing is to wait for the matrix to roll in money for you, and while you are waiting for spillovers, or you just do your business normally. So assuming you're paying annually, the system will give you a discount if you're paying annually. Instead of you paying about $120, I think the system will only charge you $100. So that's that. Then if you're paying monthly, now to make payment, all you just need to do is, if you're paying on the day at which you should make payment, you just click on this and it takes you to the payment page. But if it is not on that day, it might not bring in the what do we call it? You see, instead of you paying 100, about 120, the system will allow you to pay 99.95. So that is pay 100 instead of paying 120. So there's discount, about 20% discount. But this is for annual. But if you are trying to pay for, okay, what I'm if you're not paying, for example, my next payment is going to be on the 10th, and today is not 10, today is about 13 or 14. So if you want to pay ahead, in case you don't want to forget, you just want to pay ahead, maybe your next payment is 10th, and maybe we are on the 8th or on the 7th, and you just don't want to forget. All you just need to do is to come to products. When you come to products and you choose a product, if you're yet to make the next monthly payment, there is going to be addition of the fee. The addition of the members fee to it, and all you just need to do is to remove the addition, I mean, to remove the product and leave the monthly fee alone. Okay, you just need to choose one of these products. You click add to chat, then you click continue shopping now, check out, like you want to check out. Because I already have a monthly auto ship, it might not be showing. But if you are not having a monthly auto ship, or your monthly auto ship is about to leave, as in to get exhausted, there's probability of you seeing it. It's not even probability, you'll see it, because that was how I made my payment. So you see the monthly auto ship plus the product. So you remove the product. You click remove of the remover of the product. You will now be having just the monthly auto ship. Then you click continue, and you extract the wallet address at which you want to make the payment. You want to use to make the payment, and you pay. Okay, that's it. So it's showing here. As you can see, we have the auto ship. Okay, it's not showing because I already have payment. Assuming you are in for the first time, first month, and you want to pay for next month ahead, it will be showing. The monthly auto ship will be showing, because without the monthly auto ship, you cannot make order that month. So it will be showing. All you just need to do is to remove that one, and just continue with your payments. So that's that. You only click I understand, then I agree, then place order. After you've done that, it says the following error. Credit card. No, I don't want to use credit card. I wanted to use my okay. So here you choose your mode of payment. So I don't want to use credit card. I want to use crypto to make the payment. It is not showing here. You're not seeing the subscription here because I have already paid. Assuming I haven't, it will add it. Then I'll remove all these. Understand? You remove and make your payments. So you place order. So after placing order, you click on pay with crypto. Then it will give you the wallet address, and you make payment to the wallet address. That's all. So I think this is going to be useful. I think it's going to be useful to you. Thank you very much. So please make sure you don't miss your monthly subscription, because that makes you maintain your space on the matrix. Not only helps you maintain your space, takes you upper the matrix. What do I mean by takes you ahead of the matrix? For example, like I said, if this is me and this keeps going on this way, so if this keeps going on this way, what it simply means is if I don't make payment and this is you come here. And if somebody else ahead of me do not make payment also, instead of you coming here, you will be going here. You understand? So when everybody now realize they are making payments, people start coming under you. Then apart from that, for example, okay, this person do not make payments and I do not make payments, and you are here. You understand? If you're here, if luckily I start making what do we call it? I start making my payments, I'll come under you, and everybody I brings in after that comes under you, because you are now the captain of the matrix. Have taken our position in the matrix. So whatever job we now do after that, both our monthly payment and our team comes under you. So that's the way it is. So you just need to make your payment regularly in order to go ahead of the matrix faster. Thank you very much. God bless.